Greetings and a warm welcome to all. Today, an update on Mercury retrograde from 26 September to 18th October. Mercury retrograde has a bad reputation. General perception being don't rush for a new decision or a new project, not a good idea to travel or buy some communication devices, signing contracts, or have a major decisions of life. And Mercury retrogrades 3 times a year for nearly 22 to 24 days. It is obviously not practical to follow everything what is being suggested, but keeping in mind these timelines will certainly help you to avoid any kind of mess, confusion, repetition, or rejection in your smallest of the tasks. So, being aware is very important. Just keep in mind that being extra cautious is necessary when Mercury is retrograde. Mercury just entered Libra at 1 degree and gets retrograde to go back to its exaltation sign Virgo. It transits back to do something specific that is being missed earlier. And there is a very clear goal to go back and finish that task. With retrogression, there is an opportunity to do things differently. It is time to reflect on reasons why everything is happening the way it is. It's time to get internal and analyze your past mistakes, decisions, and wondering how you ended up where you are right now. Mercury getting retrograde in Libra seeks fairness and wants equality and justice for all. It indicates there is something left to be done while Mercury was in Virgo, and that's the purpose of this retrogression. You can think of all re words like recheck, review, revise, reconsider, reverse, reconnect, and basically repetition in your earlier action of past 2 3 weeks. See, these are probabilities and not necessary that all your actions will have repetition. And if you are cautious, then very likely that you will be able to avoid any mishap. So being alert is going to help you. Being anxious and nervous is the first impact of taking this Mercury retrogression in a negative way. And preparing yourself is a positive one. The significations of Mercury, like thinking, communicating, writing, traveling, along with all the significance of Virgo, like your day to day task, your health, your petty issues of your routine life, any challenges in your work zone, these significance will be impacted the most with this Mercury retrograde. But unlike any other Mercury retrogression, this Mercury retrogression would bring some more of positive results if you use it well. As first of all, Mercury is going back to its own Mul Trikon, an exaltation sign. Mercury is happy in Virgo. Then, secondly, we have Jupiter's ninth aspect on this Mercury, almost entire transit. Mercury will be in Chitra Nakshatra till 9th of October, and the Lord Mars is with Mercury in Virgo. After which, Mercury will be in Hasta Nakshatra till 29th of October. This will be eventful time, as with this time frame we have Saturn getting direct, Sun changing its sign to Libra, Jupiter and Mercury both will go direct, and we have full moon in Aries. And Mercury in Hasta Nakshatra will be much better than Mercury in Chitra Nakshatra. When Mercury entered Libra, it was about to share what it has worked upon while in Virgo. But then the realization that something needs some correction, alteration for what Mercury is going back to Virgo. Retrogression has a purpose. Our deepest fears and skills come on surface when a planet goes retrograde. When Mercury is retrograde, it's a perfect time to restructure your thoughts, beliefs, and the decisions based on that. And what out of them you want to modify given a chance. And here is the chance for you to make any changes. And we have to redo till we do it the way it should be done. So, in a way, it sharpens our knowledge. The work to this entire process will give you some new perspective with fresh understanding. It is not the time to get scared of delays or rejection or any kind of repetition, but welcoming it so you can reflect on what's been done. And if you have some other ideas to do it differently for better output. Secondly, something from the past comes up with any retrogression. With Mercury retrograde, we can expect people from our past. Some past ideas, thoughts, which we couldn't implement earlier. We may want to experiment now when Mercury is retrograde. As any retrograde brings those things in front of us, which needs some healing and dealing with the same to move forward in our life. It is very likely to get into arguments with Mercury retrograde, which can easily get into major conflicts, misunderstandings. And it's best to avoid getting into any kind of extreme decisions based on such fights of retrogression. When retrograde Mercury is in Virgo, then mostly matter related to health can be a problem, as retrograde planet gives diseases which are repetitive in nature. Also, it could be related to your personal life, your work zone, your enemies, and your daily routine. You need to check the lordship of Mercury and the placement of Virgo sign in your chart to determine the results. So far, whatever I talked about will impact everyone in some or the other way. Now, let us see in short how this Mercury will be for each ascendant. The Virgo sign, the house it holds in your chart, and the planets placed there or any connection with Virgo sign will get impacted with this transit. I'll be giving you few keywords for each ascendant that you will be working on the most during this transit. And these areas will demand your proper handling with care and attention. What you need to check is how best you can handle or improve yourself in that particular area, your health, your lifestyle, and present yourself as a flawless in that area. Start with Aries. Aries should review their lifestyle, your attitude, and your daily routine. Avoid any kind of arguments and conflicts. Taurus should readjust your priorities to make best use of your talents and intelligence. Gemini should rediscover your happiness, peace of mind, and your bonding with your family. Any matter related to your property or vehicles will be in the focus too. Cancer, recommit to your goals that you are worthy of, and keeping up with your courage is important. Leo should return to your core set of values and manage your finances well. Virgo should retreat yourself, your health, and give yourself enough time. Watch on your communication style. Libra should reflect on who you are and where you are going. Basically, reflecting on your self and your hidden talents. Scorpio should review your rewards and give equal credits to your network and your friend circle. Sagittarius should recharge your batteries and get energized to show your capacity in your work zone. Capricorn should renew your sense of purpose and earnings. Aquarius should restore your health and accept any changes that is needed to improve your health. Pisces should repair any damage that you may have caused to your close relations. That's all for all 12 ascendants. What needs to be done while Mercury is retrograde is to go slow while dealing with any complex matter. Check and recheck. Communicate with clarity and have no confusion. The rest will follow. Wish you all a superb clarity in all your dealings with this Mercury retrograde. Do write in your comments and queries. Thank you for your time and do check out this channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye for now.